Somewhere on Earth right now, a plant is dissolving a rat alive. Another one fires a trap faster than any animal on the planet. And it doesn't even have a brain. One of them doesn't trap anything. It just stands there. And the rain does the killing for it. We'll get to that one at the end. Because once you hear what it does to a human body, you will never look at a tree the same way again. These are the 10 deadliest botanical traps nature ever designed. And some of them are evolving right now.
Number 10. The Venus Flytrap. Most people think this is just a quirky insect trap. They're wrong. Inside each jaw are exactly 2 trigger hairs. Touch one, nothing happens. The plant waits. Touch a second hair within 20 seconds, snap. Researchers have found remains of tree frogs, small lizards, and baby mice inside wild specimens. This plant evolved electrical signals without a single nerve cell. Number 9. Nepenthes Rajah, the world's largest carnivorous pitcher plant. Its trap holds 3.5 liters of digestive acid. Scientists have documented dead rats decomposing inside. A monkey once fell in. It didn't come out the way it went in. The plant doesn't chase. It doesn't move. It just builds a perfect trap and waits for millions of years. Number 8. The Sundew. It grows in soil so poor, it had to evolve its own food source. Each drop looks like morning dew. Touch one, and you've activated a biological superglue that holds 10 times its own weight. The leaf curls inward over hours. Small birds have been found dead in wild sundew fields. Number 7. The Bladderwort. The fastest predator on Earth isn't a cheetah. It isn't a falcon. It's an underwater plant. Its trap fires in 1/100,000th of a second. Scientists needed cameras at 100,000 frames per second just to record it. A partial vacuum, trigger hairs, instant death. No brain, no muscle, just engineering. Number 6. The Cobra Lily. It doesn't look like a trap. It looks like a window. Insects see the translucent dome and think they see open sky. They fly in and slam into the walls. Disoriented, they fall. Inside, downward-pointing hairs make escape impossible. The more it struggles, the deeper it goes. This plant evolved a psychological trap. Number 5. Genlisea. Above ground, it looks completely harmless. Small leaves, tiny flowers, nothing threatening. But underground, it grows biological corkscrews, spiral tubes with inward-pointing hairs. Microorganisms follow a chemical scent inward. Then they can only move forward, deeper and deeper. There is no reverse gear. The plant creates the path, controls the direction, and digests whatever follows the smell. Number 4. Nepenthes Lowii. This one doesn't just kill. It evolved something far more disturbing. A deal. Tree shrews eat nectar from the pitcher lid. While feeding, they defecate directly into the trap below. The plant evolved its lid angle and trap dimensions specifically to position the animal's body over the opening. The plant domesticated a mammal. But occasionally, the deal goes wrong. And when a mammal falls in, the pitcher doesn't miss. Number 3. Rorigula. Sticky enough to trap frogs, but it cannot digest them. Its mucilage has no enzymes. So, it evolved a partner. One specific assassin bug lives exclusively on Rorigula. It's immune to the glue. The bug eats whatever the plant catches. Then it defecates on the leaf, and the plant absorbs the nutrients from the droppings. The plant is the trap. The bug is the stomach. Nothing that lands on that leaf survives.
Number 2. Triphyllum peltatum. Most carnivorous plants evolved one trap. This one evolved 3 and switches between them. First, it grows like a normal vine. Then it sprouts sticky tentacles and enters a carnivorous phase, trapping insects for nitrogen. Then it drops those leaves entirely and transforms into a forest climber, using the stored nutrients to reach the canopy light. Scientists didn't confirm it was carnivorous until the 1970s. It had been hiding its deadliest form in plain sight. This plant doesn't just trap prey. It changes its entire identity to do it.
We told you at the beginning, one plant doesn't trap anything. It doesn't move. It has no sticky hairs, no acid pitchers, no vacuum. It just stands there. And it is the most dangerous plant on Earth. The manchineel tree. The Guinness World Records calls it the world's most dangerous tree. Every part of it is lethal. Bark, leaves, fruit, even the smoke from burning it causes blindness. But the most terrifying thing it does is nothing. It just lets it rain. The water washes toxins off every leaf and drips onto whatever stands below. The sap causes chemical burns so severe it blisters skin on contact. Eat its fruit, your throat swells shut within minutes. Spanish conquistadors called it manzanilla de la muerte, the little apple of death. Indigenous peoples weaponized it. They tied prisoners to the trunk and let the rain do the work.
10 plants, 10 completely different strategies. Electrical signals, acid baths, vacuum chambers, optical illusions, trade deals, rain. Nature has been perfecting these traps for hundreds of millions of years. And some of these species are still evolving right now into something we haven't documented yet. Drop a comment. Which plant disturbed you the most? And if you want to see what animals share ecosystems with these killers, that video is right there. Subscribe to INFOWILD. We go deep.